Welcome to this course. Quick Start Mobile Application. HIKMICRO Viewer. In this course, you will learn the following contents. Brief introduction. Connect to thermography camera. Image and measurement settings. Capture and albums management. Analysis and report. General settings. Course review. Let's begin the first part. Brief introduction. The HIKMICRO Viewer is a powerful and intuitive mobile application. It's designed to help users stream videos, analyze thermal images and videos, quickly create reports and share with other people. The app allows you to import stored files from the camera to the mobile device. You can also use it for multiple operations, such as one-tap level and span, changing color palettes, adjusting measurement parameters, and more. As you can see it in the official website, scanning a QR code to download the mobile app. HIKMICRO Viewer. For several fundamental questions, users could view our user manual and FAQ for help. The specific path is located in App Settings, and then you can select User Manual or FAQ as you want. Now, in the second part, methods of connecting to thermography camera will be introduced. In Viewer app, there are two options for connecting to thermography camera, which respectively names after QR code connection and add device connection. Let's start with QR code connection. Before that, it is necessary to confirm whether the device you have supports this function. The specific steps for confirmation are as follows. With the latest firmware version, enter the menu to check if there is hotspot option. If it is available, you can connect the device to Viewer app according to the steps below. Firstly, turn on the hotspot function of your device. Secondly, tap the option of QR code to display it. Thirdly, tap the plus key in the top right corner of the Viewer app's homepage, where then displays the option of Scan QR code. Next, scan the QR code on the device via Viewer app, and tap the option of Join. Finally, device information and connected will be displayed on the interface, which indicates the successful connection. Now, let's move to add device connection. Here are three methods for connection. All of them aim at connecting phone and device to the same network. You can select one of them according to your preference. Method 1. Connecting the device to your phone's hotspot. Method 2. Connecting your phone to the device's hotspot. Method 3. Connecting the device and your phone to a same Wi-Fi network. After they connect to the same network, you can perform the following actions for connection to the Viewer app. First, tap the plus key in the top right corner of the Viewer app's homepage, and then select a device. Second, wait several seconds for searching the device. Then, tap the Connect key to connect the device. Last, device information and connected will be displayed on the interface. After the operations just mentioned, you can tap the Live View key to verify whether the connection is successful. As you can see in this figure, there are several items on the Live View interface indicating different information. They are divided into three sections by their functions, which respectively contains Camera Live View, Image Adjustment Settings, and Capture and Albums. Let's see them one by one. In the case of Camera Live View, number 1 is the Zone of Live View screen. in terms of image adjustment settings. Number 2. Key for providing measurement tools such as hotspot tool. Number 3. Key for switching palettes. Number 4. Key for changing image mode such as fusion and picture-in-picture. Number 5. Key for manual calibration. Number 6. Key for measurement parameters. As for capture and albums. Number 7. Key for viewing albums in Viewer app. Number 8. Key for capturing images or videos. Number 9. Key for switching mode between capture and record. For more about thermal image adjustment settings and capture and albums management, we will respectively elaborate on them in Part 3 and Part 4. Let's move to the third part, image and measurement settings. As mentioned before, there are several options for image and measurement settings. For a camera with visual lens, there are 5 image modes: thermal, visual, fusion, PIP, and blending. You can choose a suitable mode for a practical situation. Thermal and visual modes are basic, and the other 3 modes are more or less mixed with the basic 2. In fusion image mode, object outlines in the visual image are overlaid on the thermal image. In PIP image mode, meaning picture-in-picture, a thermal image is usually smaller and overlaid on the visual image. The superposed part presents fusion effect. In blending image mode, thermal and visual images are blended. Now, let's take a closer look at image mode settings. After tap the image mode key, 5 image modes will be displayed on the interface. Then, tap one of the options to switch image mode as you like. Please be noted, in blending mode, there will be a slider under the camera live view. You can drag the slider to the left or to the right to adjust the extent of thermal and visual balance. Then, we will move to palette settings. The palette's function aims to transform the white and black into colorful image for high contrasts, to meet different application scenarios. The following figures show several common palettes, such as iron bow, rainbow, rain, and white hot. Now, try to switch palettes. First, tap the palette's key to display available palettes options. Second, tap the palette's box to switch palettes. In addition to for typical palettes mentioned above, HIKMICRO Viewer provides more options. You can slide palettes row to view more. This time, let's focus our eyes on measurement tools on the live view interface. You can turn on or off 3 regular spots for the device and the Viewer app. They are respectively hot spot, cold spot, and center spot. The hot spot is in red color, representing the maximum temperature in the whole screen. The cold spot is in blue color, indicating the minimum temperature in the screen. The center spot is in white color, reflecting the temperature in the center. You can follow the steps below to make use of measurement tools. First, tap the measurement key to display 3 spot options. Second, tap the spot key in blue box to add the spot according to your needs. Besides, tap the spot key off blue box to remove the spot as you want. Finally, we will deliver an introduction to measurement parameters, including emissivity, distance, and temperature unit. Let's begin with emissivity. In actual situations, inspectors often need more accurate temperature results. Thus, It is necessary to set the emissivity based on the measured object material, such as wood of window frame. The camera user manual is attached with a table of common materials. Please refer to the table before this setting. First, tap the parameter key to display available parameters. Second, tap the emissivity key to show its related settings. Next, you can slide up or down to set emissivity, and press Confirm to save the emissivity value into the camera device. If you are interested in emissivity and its influence on measurements, you can check another HMTT basic level course, named Thermography Camera Fundamentals. The second parameter is distance. For accurate measurement, the parameter of distance in your camera should be manually adjusted to the actual distance between camera and target. First, tap the parameter key to display the available parameters. Second, tap the distance key to show distance settings. Then, tap Add or Subtract to set distance, and press Confirm to save the distance value into the camera device. Temperature unit is the third adjustable parameter. Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin are common temperature units and are available in Viewer app. If you want to make a change of unit, please operate as follows. First, tap the parameter key to display parameters. Second, tap the temperature unit key to display its menu. Last, select the preferred temperature unit to take effect. In the fourth part, we are going to talk about capture and albums management. Now, let's take a look at how to capture images and record videos in Viewer app. First, enter the Live View interface. Second, tap the switch key to make a change between video and picture mode. Then, in picture mode, you can tap the trigger key to take and save a snapshot. If video mode is selected, tap the trigger key to start recording, and tap it again to stop when you want to finish recording. After capturing images or recording videos, let's move to see two methods for accessing the app's albums. The app's albums are independent of mobile devices' albums, but the images and videos can be saved into the mobile device's albums. Method 1. First, tap the thumbnail in the lower left corner of the Live View interface. You can immediately access to the latest file for editing, sharing, or even deleting it. Second, in this interface, tap the Albums key in the upper left corner to enter app's albums for management. Method 2. Tap the Albums key in the home page of Viewer app to access its albums. Entering the albums. There are several functions and operations to be introduced. Let's take a look at the divided sections in the following figures. First of all, the Select function. Tap the Select key to enter the selection mode. The Select All key can quickly select all files and albums. All files are grouped by date. Check a date to select all files created on this date. Then, the Filter function. In the selection mode, file types and subtypes are shown at the header area. You can select picture only or video only to filter a preferred file type. Radiometric image is the most often subtype of file for editing and reporting, and the subtype of others is for visual image. In the third section, HIKMICRO Viewer provides several keys for file operations. Number 6. The Share key allows you to share images or videos by another mobile app, including email. Number 7. The Report key is a path to generate a report with the selected images and create a PDF report file. Number 8. The Save key is to save the selected images or videos to the mobile device's albums. Number 9. The Delete key is the option to delete unwanted images or videos. For those images and videos in viewers' albums, you can share them to other mobile applications, such as email or even Twitter. For instance, first, enter the app's albums and check the captured images. Then, select your desired images, and tap the Share key and select an application for sharing. The interface of on-device files is similar to that in Viewer Apps albums. This is a quick path to access to and analyze media files in the camera device. First, when the camera device is connected to Viewer App, tap the On-Devices Files key to access to the file folders in the camera device. Second, tap a folder to enter it. After the two steps, you can check images in a device folder to view, analyze, or download to Viewer Apps albums. This time, check an image in this folder to have it ready for analysis. Analysis and report will be introduced in the next part. Then, tap the Select key to enter selection mode. Now, you can select your desired images and videos, and then tap the Download key to download the selected files into Viewer Apps albums. Now, let's focus eyes on analysis and report in the fifth part. The slide shows the interface of image analysis. You can tap the Edit key in the lower left corner to perform a secondary analysis on the image. In this way, measurement, image mode, level and span, palettes, color alarm, and parameter can be used as editing tools. After analysis, remember tapping the Save key to save the changes. Note please, in Viewer App, parameter indicates emissivity, distance, environment temperature, temperature unit, remarks for inspections, and device information. Next, we will talk more about the level and span and measurement tools. Level and span is a function to edit the image effect. Level measures how high the temperature is in the screen, and span judges the difference between the highest and lowest temperatures in the screen. In the practice, a target may have very different temperatures from the background, and you don't care the background at all. In this case, you can use level and span to adjust the displaying temperature range, to show as many details on the target as possible. Areas of temperature that out of the range will be either very bright or very dark. In this way, the target will be displayed with a good distribution, and the background will hardly have details. There are 3 modes for level and span adjustment. One tap level and span is the most recommended for its ease of use. Just tap the target after select the one-tap mode. The image would render itself based on the target's temperature distribution. The next one is auto mode, which is the default mode as well. If you cannot have a good image after trying several times of one-tap level and span, you can just switch it to the auto mode, so as to recover the image rendered by HIKMICRO image algorithm. Last one, manual mode, allowing a professional inspector to fine-tune the image by dragging the temperature bar and manually adjust level and span. Now, let's see measurement and have a view of the way to create measurement tools. First, tap the measurement key to display available measurement tools. Second, turn on or off the hot, cold, and center points. Then, tap the point or rectangle key to customize points or rectangles, as shown in the figures. Once the points or rectangles are set, related temperature measurement results will be displayed on the screen. If you want to delete measurement tools, there are two methods. Method 1. Tap the clear key to delete all tools at once. Method 2. Tap the specific tool to make a delete. Saving the changes you have made to the image. Then you can generate a report. There are two types of report: thermography report and temperature curve report. Editing report, saving report to mobile devices, or sharing report to others are available in Viewer app. For thermography report, you can generate a report from the image information, including temperature information, parameters, and notes. The specific steps are as follows. Firstly, select one or several images, and tap the report key to choose thermography report between the two report types. Secondly, input the report information. Thirdly, input notes and tap the check mark key in the top right corner of the interface to generate the report. Fourthly, tap the sending key to share the report with others. As for temperature curve report, you can generate a curve report of temperatures at different times in the same location. The generating process is similar to that of thermography report just mentioned. Firstly, tap the option of temperature curve report. Secondly, input the report information and select the temperature curve. Thirdly, tap the check mark key in the top right corner to generate the report. Lastly, tap the sending key to share your report. In the sixth part, we will delve into some major general settings. The first one is capture modes. In Viewer app, there are two optional capture modes, which respectively names after local mode and remote mode. In local mode, images or videos captured or recorded will be saved to mobile device, while in remote mode, those images or videos will be saved to camera's storage media. One thing to note is that remote mode can only take effect when the camera device supports it. For capture mode selection, you can follow the path below: Settings, General, and Capture Mode. Next, let's talk about how to download files to mobile devices' albums. First, you need to turn on the function of saving pictures to mobile devices. Please follow the path of Settings and General, and then turn on the option of Save Pictures to Phone on the menu. After that, select images in the albums of Viewer app, and tap the Save key to save them in your mobile device. When generating a report, the default basic information could be set beforehand, which includes logo, site name, location, etc. You can follow the path of Settings, General, and basic information in Viewer app to make some changes. Finally, the content about device upgrade will be introduced. Tap Device Upgrade to verify the latest firmware version. If not, upgrade the device firmware via the cloud, without USB cables. By the way, this function can only take effect when the device supports it. Now, let's take a look at the detailed steps. Firstly, tap the device upgrade key when the camera is successfully connected. Secondly, Viewer app will automatically check for the upgrade. Thirdly, tap to upgrade as the latest firmware is found. Fourthly, download the latest firmware. Then, Tap to upgrade. Next, wait for transmitting the firmware. After that, auto upgrade and auto reboot will be performed after upgrade. Finally, reconnect to the device and the update completes. In the last part, let's take a review about what we have introduced in this course. In Part 1, we have taken a brief introduction about HIKMICRO Viewer, software download, and the acquisition method of user manual and FAQ. In Part 2, connecting to thermography camera has been introduced. Two basic options modes are available for connection. They are Hotspot QR code connection and Add Device. For Add Device, 3 methods are optional. After that, we quickly mention some basic keys on the camera live view interface. In Part 3, we have talked about image and measurement settings in Viewer app, including image modes, palettes, measurement tools, and measurement parameters. In terms of parameter, emissivity, distance, environment temperature, temperature unit, remark, and device information are contained. In Part 4, we focused on capture and albums management. We have learned the specific methods about the means for capturing images and recording videos, how to access to app albums, how to share images or videos with others, and access to on-device files. In Part 5, we delved into analysis and report. For analysis, we have introduced several items, which are available for modifications during editing images, such as level and span, and measurement tools. In addition, we have known 2 types of report in Viewer app. They are thermography report and temperature curve report. In Part 6, we have deeply explored some general settings. We have talked about to capture modes. After that, we have learned about the steps for downloading files to phone's albums, the basic report settings, and the process for device upgrade. Thank you for your time with us. Taking the chance you know today. Please go to start the quiz and earn your credits.